Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Reading SQL Files in Python, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to read SQL files using Python. This can be particularly useful when you have a SQL script or database dump saved in a file and want to analyze, modify, or execute the SQL commands using Python. Prerequisites. Before we begin, make sure you have the following installed. Step 1. Install required packages. First, install the necessary Python packages for working with SQL files. We'll use the SQLite 3 library for SQLite databases, but you can replace it with a different library depending on your database system. Step 2. Create a sample SQL file. Create a sample SQL file, example sample.sql, with some SQL commands. For example. Step 3. Read SQL file in Python. Now, let's write Python code to read and execute the SQL commands from the file. Replace sample.sql with the path to your SQL file. This example uses an in-memory SQLite database, but you can modify the connection parameters for other databases. Conclusion. This tutorial demonstrated how to read SQL files in Python using the SQLite 3 library. You can adapt the code to work with other databases by using the appropriate Python database library. Reading SQL files programmatically allows you to analyze, modify, or execute SQL commands efficiently within your Python scripts. ChatGPT.